Okay, so but you have X amount of cholesterol, which we don't like, X amount of cholesterol. So this cholesterol has to be diverted to making different kinds of hormones. When you are totally stressed out, what is the first hormone? Cortisol. So every little bit of molecule of cholesterol, or the basic compound that is needed in order to make a hormone, is taken away by stress hormones. Then how much of hormones do you have left for testosterone building? Zero. Then the testosterone levels are going to just crash down. Then this person has no energy left in him, totally drained out. So this is what happens. Then what do? Then these external source of testosterone people are going to come into play. So people are paying $500 every month or $1,000 every month and getting samples of testosterone. Whose testosterone is it? It's a testosterone of a horse or somebody else's testosterone that they're harvesting, and then they're injecting into these humans. So they feel that the boost of energy that happens in them, which is very common because you took some external hormone. But then what happens? The body can just keep on running on stress hormone and testosterone. It's almost like whipping a tired horse. You keep whipping, and now the weight also starts building up. Then the peptides are coming in. Do you guys know the peptides we are talking about? Ozempic, and now itself in India also they launched all these peptides and other things. So the cortisol is not going to make you lose weight, because the stress is mounting up. Then the Ozempic is going to come in. Then the testosterone. You have no idea. I see countless men this way, addicted to different kinds of, not recreational drugs per se. These are not cocaine. These are not opiates or any of it. But they're addicted to these official drugs that are in the market. It's just so painful. Then what happens is they end up with high blood pressure. Then their brain fogginess comes in, clouded consciousness. Their anxiety creeps in. Then the anxiety medications come into play. Then multiple different doctors and multiple issues, and finally they land with a heart attack.